My people, na good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So I say make I come see come allow una na maybe una presenter Anthony for where come dey talk say if una know say una never subscribe, una no forget to subscribe, una hit the subscribe button for this channel. Na here for the knack am anything wey concern immigrant matter, na here for the talk am. So na today now I say me I come see come tell una the latest thing wey come see shele concerning the document matter. So now say make I inform una say concerning document matter, a lot of controversy come dey because of say they don't know as the thing come dey go. So now I come say make I call the government house. Now I come call the government house this morning and they come tell me say they never get okay, which means say they never get their own wetin they talk say how the thing want to go. He say concerning that matter, say they get about 80% say the document wey dem wan do wey go start on the 1st of June to July 15 say na online na the thing go which is telematical online. So if una know say una get all una credentials put for ground, una quickly go gather everything so that any patronat or anybody wey know say go fit help una, they'll fit help una fill am online. If you know say you fit fill am online, you fit still fill am online, so that any other process wey go still come concerning this document matter, I'll still come here make I come still give una the koko concerning the document matter. But una no fear say the thing never start, they never still give us the right thing wey we suppose need, because a lot of things wey I don read concerning this document matter, even me come still confused. But make I tell una say some people dey go dey carry kit for post office, not be post office, they say they wan still take pass come this time around. Some people still dey talk say na government house wey they call prefectura, say no be that side they wan still come pass come. They say they wan do am online, which is the tenor minister website. Now say they wan for come fill this document matter. So as soon as they give us the okay finish concerning how the document wan waka, we'll see come here, come throw away all the things we will still need and how the thing want to go. Since they never get okay, now say make I come tell una say this one might be the things where they don't talk as of today will be 29th of May 2020. So more not forget, more take hit the subscribe button. Now me do una presenter this First Stage Immigrant Solution, Anthony. Una bye bye.